There are times when RTD deploys or schedules what is commonly referred to as a bus shuttle. Well, what is a bus shuttle? In the event that RTD has planned rail maintenance, or in the event of rare emergencies or power outages, trains may have to pause from operating in specific areas. When this happens, bus shuttles are provided to replace rail service between those impacted stations.
If an elevator is out of service, bus shuttles may be offered to support customers at specific locations, like this one. The elevator may be the only way for some customers to access one side of the station or the other, or to safely reach the platform.
RTD will schedule staff to be on site to assist customers, bus operators, and provide oversight of bus shuttle operations. Bus shuttles can be provided for just a few hours or for an entire day or more if there is planned rail maintenance. What should you expect if you experience a rail disruption requiring a bus shuttle to reach your final destination? Check the station signs or visit RTD's website or Next Ride application for information about bus shuttle boarding locations at your station. When you locate the bus shuttle at your station, safely board the bus and take a seat. The bus operator will stop at each impacted station.
RTD will send out service alerts and post information on our website when bus shuttles are needed. Help is available also by calling our customer care hotline at 303-299-6000. Translation support is available in over 300 languages. Thank you for riding RTD.